Hello, my dear friends. Today I'm going to talk to you about how can you fix a broken computer. Firstly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. In fact, don't worry too much if your computer was broken up. You still can fix it. It's very simple and quick. First of all, press the start button. Then, when the Windows screen has been appeared, you should press the Shift or Delete or F1 or F12 buttons, etc. After that, you'll see the boot menu and 3 options. You should click Troubleshoot. Afterwards, you'll see more options. Click Advanced Options. After, click Startup Repair. And that's all. You should wait the computer to be fixed automatically by itself. If the problem didn't solve, you should restore the system by clicking System Restore. If it still isn't fixed, you should reset the system. That's all. Thank you for watching. Now, listen to this music. This music is so good. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to comment.